Okay, everyone, now it's time to learn the pronunciation of the consonant sounds mm, as in the word mom, mom, and the sound as in the word none, none. Okay, let's begin. The and the sounds are classified as nasal consonants. Both sounds are voiced. Let's see first the pronunciation of the voiced sound. The sound is produced in a bilabial position. It is made by pressing the lips together to then release the air coming from your lungs through the nose. Mm, mm. This sound is more marked in English than in other languages, so make sure to produce the sound clearly. Mm, mm. Okay, let's see some examples of the voice sound. This sound is present in initial, medium, and final position in a word. In initial position we have magic, magic, mask, mask, medal, medal, meal, meal, moon, moon, mouse, mouse, movie, movie, munch, munch, must, must. Okay, in middle position we have amount, amount, camping, camping, enemy, enemy, family, family, or family, family, limit, limit, payment, payment, remove, remove, smell, smell, women, women. Okay, in final position we have aim, aim, become, become, dream, dream, income, income, lime, lime, poem, poem, shame, shame, vacuum, vacuum, and wisdom, wisdom. Now, using the sound in spoken sentences, we have the meeting is tomorrow morning. The meeting is tomorrow morning. It's easy to make a mistake. It's easy to make a mistake. My mother likes music very much. My mother likes music very much. Okay, very good. And please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell as well. Thanks. Let's see now the pronunciation of the voice sound. The sound is produced in an alveolar position. In this case, we don't close the mouth to produce the sound. We keep it open. But we also release the air coming from the lungs through the nose. Mm, mm. Let's see some example of the voice sound. This sound is also present in initial, medial, and final position in a word. In initial position, we have examples: nail, nail, naughty, naughty, near, near, or near, near, nest, nest, nice, nice, north, north, noun, noun, number, number, nut, nut. Okay, in medial position we have examples: animal, animal, corner, corner, enter, enter, friend, friend, lunch, lunch, mount, mount, point, point, trend, trend, winter, winter. And in final position we have between, between, crown, crown, green, green, listen, listen, machine, machine, often, often, reason, reason, station, station, upon, upon. Now putting the sound into sentences we have. Everyone has a chance to win. Everyone has a chance to win. Do you know the name of this plant? Do you know the name of this plant? You can do anything you want. You can do anything you want. Okay, let's practice a little bit now. Try to get the sounds right in the next examples. Examples: Mars, Mars, cucumber, cucumber, kingdom, kingdom, museum, museum, remember, remember, warm, warm, next, next, even, even, none, none, opinion, opinion, then, then, and wonder, wonder. Okay, so these two nasal voiced consonants, the bilabial and the alveolar sounds, checked. Well, that's all for today. Keep practicing. See you next time. Bye for now.